there, I hope you are doing well and I hope you had a great Chinese Lunar New Year if you celebrated. My name is Palina and today I will show you a makeup tutorial on this bright pink makeup look I created. I decided to call this look Brilliant Rose, and in honor of this look, every song used in this video will have Rose in its title. I'm having some tea today and this is Kitty Cup, my favorite cup. I will start off with foundation and I'm using a cushion foundation today. This is the eSpoir Pro Tailor Bee Silk Cushion Foundation. I will dip in it with my cushion sponge and then tapping it onto my skin. I'm gently tapping it and blending it out on my skin. I wanted to even out my skin tone, cover some blemishes and give me a very even, smooth and clean complexion. I really like the concept of cushion foundation. It's very convenient, you can carry it around with you. Some cushions have a very pretty packaging. It comes with a cushion puff so you can just dip into the product and blend it out on your skin. Have you tried out cushion foundations before? Let me know which one's your favorite if you have tried them. To set my makeup, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Loose Setting Powder. I have the shade Butter. I'm going to gently brush it around my mouth, around my nose and under my eyes, also on my forehead. Fenty Beauty is one of my favorite makeup brands and they make some quality products that I enjoy. Now for brows, I'm using my Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I'm in the shade 4. It's a natural dark brown color. I'm just gently drawing my brows in the shape they already have. My eyebrows are not very pigmented, but they are not sparse, so I will just have to add some color to them to bring them to life. Drawing my eyebrows is something I learned from my mom. Growing up, I would see my mom in front of the bathroom mirror filling her eyebrows in, and she would use those wooden style eyebrow pencils for a natural effect. She really loves those. My mom normally doesn't wear makeup, but she would fill in her eyebrows every day, sometimes even at night. She really likes to draw her eyebrows. Nowadays, I don't see wooden eyebrow pencils anymore. All the eyebrow pencils I see are just automatic eyebrow pencils. I'm just curling my lashes, and speaking of that, I remember as a kid I would go to the bathroom and my mom had a green cosmetic bag there. I would go through the cosmetic bag and see what I find there and play with the stuff inside, and one of the things was a silver eyelash color just like this one. I would clap it together and play with it like a little toy, but I would never imagine it was meant for your eyes. Now moving on to the fun part, eyeshadow. I'm taking my Kaleidos eyeshadow palette. There are some juicy, bright, beautiful, colorful shades in it. I'm taking the most basic skin tone color and sweeping it over my eyelids as a base. And then I'll be taking a blending brush and dipping it into the bright pink color here. This will be the main matte eyeshadow I will use, and I'm blending it all over my eyelids. I'm taking my time to blend the eyeshadow on my eyelids, and I think that's what I've improved over the years, my blending skills. Back then I didn't know how to apply eyeshadow or how to blend eyeshadow at all, and I would do really weird makeup looks. Like in the first year of wearing makeup, in the beginning months I was doing blue makeup looks, pink makeup looks, and smoky purple makeup look because I saw it online, and I did not know how to do those eye looks at all. I would leave the door with this creepy dark purple eye look, and I remember there was kids on the streets pointing at me saying I look scary. I got really sad hearing that, and my mom tried to comfort me by saying they are just jealous that you're wearing makeup. I don't think that's the case at all. So after that I stopped attempting to do those crazy makeup looks, and I remember if I attempt to do any look I wouldn't leave the door because I know that it looks creepy. And over the years I think I got a lot better at makeup. It's really impressive and shocking. If the 14-year-old me would see my makeup skills right now, I think the past me would scream. Okay, back to the look. I was just using a pencil brush to apply the pink color on my lower lash line. Now I will take a flat and rounded eyeshadow brush to apply this beautiful purple color on my outer corners. I really like how purple looks in combination with pink or blue. I'm just blending the purple color on my outer corners and bringing it a little bit into the middle. Let me know if you have any funny makeup stories to share. We all have our cringe moments. Nobody starts off as a makeup artist on their first day. Now I'm taking the shade Space Oasis, which is a beautiful light purple shimmery eyeshadow. It's definitely one of my favorite colors from this palette, and I love how this gives me a wet and purple look. It's a beautiful shade. I'm applying it with my ring finger, which is brush number 4. You guys know I love to apply shimmery eyeshadows with my fingertips. Next, I'm taking the shade Amaretto, which is a beautiful reddish pink shimmery color. I'm applying it onto my middle and outer part of my eyelid using my index finger, which is brush number 2. I believe Amaretto is a kind of cocktail, but I'm not sure, I've never had it before. Using the pencil brush, I'm taking the beautiful shimmery purple Space Oasis on my inner corners on the lower lash line. It looks really stunning. Now using my pinky finger, which is brush number 5, I'm dipping into this beautiful shimmery champagne shade called Starlight Sonata. I will dot it on my inner corners and then blending it out. It's a very beautiful light shimmery champagne shade and gives me a really gorgeous wet look. I like it when shimmery shadows give me a wet look. Now for eyeliner, I'm taking the NYX white liquid liner. I feel like I've done more white eyeliner looks than black eyeliner looks, but don't worry, I have a few black eyeliner makeup looks planned ahead. I will film them soon. I'm just drawing a curved line on my inner corners and dragging it into the middle, not all the way to the end. You can draw the shape however you want. I just really liked how this one looks for this makeup look. I have very shaky hands and learning to do eyeliner was a real struggle in the beginning. I've gotten better with it and found things that help me. I like to hook my pinky finger on a loose powder puff and pressure it onto my face so I have a place where I can hold my hand so I don't shake as much. If you have shaky hands like me, you can try to use a loose powder puff like I did. It gives you a pressure point to hold on your face so your hand don't shake as much. I did a few mistakes with the white eyeliner and I fixed them off camera, which was easy to do. I just had to scratch them off with my fingernails or a spoolie brush and I got the eyeliner to the shape I wanted. Now for mascara, I'm using my Clio Lash mascara in long curling. I'm brushing it on my upper and lower eyelashes. I really like this mascara, it holds my curl pretty well, gives my lashes a really nice thick effect. If you have straight eyelashes, I would recommend this mascara. For bronzer today, I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I already hit pan on it. I really like this bronzer. It smells like coconut. It's very easy to blend on the skin. It has a little shimmer in it, so it's not a matte bronzer. It gives me a really nice sun-kissed warmth to my skin. I'm just sweeping it onto my face with my fluffy powder brush. For blush, I'm using this color called Outlaw by Nars. It's a beautiful berry pink color with some golden shimmer in it. I'm applying it onto my cheeks to add some color. I really like how blush gives my face some color and brings some liveliness to my skin. I've had this blush for a few years now and I've been trying to hit pan on it. I want to use it up. I've been trying to use it daily, religiously, and I just can't hit pan on this blush. If you buy a full-size blush from Nars, you're really getting your money's worth out of it. The color of the blush pairs really well with this makeup look today and I really enjoy it. I'm also brushing it a little bit onto my nose. And now for highlighter, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in Lightning Dust Fire Crystal. It's a beautiful light pink highlighter duo. It's not a pink highlighter but also not a gold highlighter. It's not very cool but also not warm, so it's a very interesting kind of white gold highlighter. It has two sides in it, a more natural color called Lightning Dust and a more intense glittery one called Fire Crystal. I'm taking Lightning Dust and lay it on the high points of my face and then taking the glittery Fire Crystal color and lay it up on where I applied the highlighter earlier. I really enjoy the idea of this dual highlighter, that you have a subtle highlighter you can use for daily looks while also having other glittery shimmery highlighter that you can use to add an extra pop of highlight. I'm also putting a little bit on my Cupid's bow. To add an extra pop of glitter, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bond highlighter. It's a beautiful jelly textured highlighter that gives a nice glittery wet look. I'm taking my brush number 4, which is my ring finger, and gently putting it in my inner corners and tapping it onto my cheeks where I applied the other highlighter earlier. Highlighters have become one of my favorite makeup items and step in my makeup routine. I have no idea when did that start, but I really enjoy it. The Diamond Bomb definitely add a really nice pop of shimmer effect to boost this look even more. I really enjoy how this looks. And now to the last step, which is lips. I'm using my MAC X Lisa Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color in Pink Roses, which is perfect for this look. It's a very beautiful muted pink color that suits my eyes really well. I really love the formula and the color of this lipstick, so it's my favorite lipstick right now, and I'm obsessed with it. You've seen me using it in my recent makeup videos. I really like this lipstick. It feels very smooth on the lips and I really enjoy the color. And this is the finished makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you like this makeup look. Let me know what kind of makeup looks you want to see next. I hope you have a great day and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That would mean a lot to me. I hope you stay safe, stay warm and have fun. I will see you in my next video. Bye!